Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a Peshwari Naan. So I've shown you how to make the naan dough and I've shown you how to make the Peshwari filling. So we're just going to combine the two together, make it in our tandoor oven so you can see exactly how we make a Peshwari Naan. So we've got some flour on here and we're just going to make, with most of the fillings like keema naan and anything you fill, you just make a little hole there, and then you've got your Peshwari filling. Just going to put it in there. Then we're just going to cover it up, as we did for the keema naans, the other naans we do. Any stuffed naan, it's cooked like this. And then you've sealed it up. So you've got to make sure you've sealed it up. Seal it up, and then we're just going to make the naans how we normally make them, so evenly out. And then a little bit of oil on top. And then we're gonna just make it bigger. I've shown you many videos how to do this. Same technique. So I'm just gonna get the naan out. That's done nicely. It's not puffed out because I forgot to take the thing out, but it's okay. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, so we're just going to put some ghee on there, Khanum Ghee. Just let it melt in nicely, and that's it. That's it. And there we have it, Peshwari Naan.